Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to use Maya Time Deposit Plus. This feature is designed to help your money grow by locking it away for a specific period, offering you higher interest rates than a standard savings account. It's a straightforward way to boost your financial goals, whether short-term or long-term. You can select a term that best fits your plans, making it a flexible option for everyone. To open a Time Deposit Plus, simply navigate to the Savings dashboard within your Maya app. From there, tap to create a new Time Deposit Plus account. You will then choose your desired term, such as 3 or 6 months, and set a target amount. Funding your account is simple. You can transfer money directly from your Maya wallet, Maya Savings, or even from other banks. With Maya Time Deposit Plus, you can earn an attractive interest rate of up to 6% per annum. Your interest earnings are conveniently credited to your account every month, allowing you to see your money grow steadily. Once your chosen term matures, your total deposit plus the accumulated interest, minus any applicable taxes, will be automatically transferred to your Maya Savings account. Maya allows you to manage your finances effectively by opening up to 5 active Time Deposit Plus accounts simultaneously. Each of these accounts can hold a maximum balance of 1 million pesos, enabling you to earn interest on a total of 5 million pesos. While it's best to complete your term, you can withdraw funds early if needed, though a small cancellation fee will apply.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.